Okay, what we're going to do here, this is a typical metal building wall. It's a U-pane. So what you want to do is once you have the window out, the instructions again are on the box. Now, like for the width of your window for a 3 foot, which we have in the box, rough open is 2'10". The metal building wall set up on 3 foot panels, 1 foot. Of course, the U is 6 inches apart. Our panel's a foot. But in essence, your opening is going to be 2'10", just off the sheets. So once you have located where you want the window in your wall, which we already have, you want to take and install the pins. Because this is U-panel, you're going to use the 3/4 inch pin. It slides down the track on the side. Now, what you want to do is make sure you get them the right way. Slide them down. If it gets hard, what you can do, you take some lubricant and spray in the track. And if you have to, take a rubber mallet and tap it down into position. Now it takes 2 people to put this window in. And what we're going to do is we're going to have somebody on the inside slip the window over the bottom sheet and hold it to the top. I have a person on the inside building. What he's going to do is he's going to pick the window up, put the bottom flange over the base of the sheet, and push the window in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to raise that window up. Go to the outside, level the window, run 2 screws into the header section. Now that the window's sitting in there, what you actually have to do is once that window is in, it's lifted up to the top. It makes a good seal here. Now when you cut your sheet, you want the jagged edges to go to your top where you trim that so you have a flat top across here. Now once we have that, what I suggest putting the pins in the side is to pre-drill a hole, because if you don't get the screw perfectly straight, then what it'll do is walk on you to pull them jambs out and get your window out of flow. So once we've already done that, what we'll do is we'll take it, run these screws in to the fin that conforms to your pin. Usually on each side, 3 screws are plenty to hold it in place. And that will pull it right into the wall. This is a U-pan, like I said. We did not have to put that many screws across the top. When we put one in the center of each thing. All screwed in from the outside. What you can do for the base is to take and get into the low of your panel and run the screw through. Two screws through the bottom. And attach your screws to the base of the window. The window's not going anywhere. Then you can turn around and caulk where your fins are at, down the sides. Put in whatever you need to seal your window. 2 screws that we put on the inside keeps a person from having to go up underneath this seal to screw the sheets into the window itself. It's easier to go into the low of the panel. The screw is up underneath there, you'll never see it. After we have the window completely screwed in place, we're satisfied with its location. We snap in jam trim that covers your caulk, your screw heads, snaps in the side, flush at the top, pull it towards you, snaps in. What that does is that covers all your caulk and screws. It makes the appearance of the window look so much better. That is an installation into a metal building wall. framed open. The problem we have with a metal building window is actually undersized. On the box it tells you what the width is. It's 3'10" or 2'10" size. It's like the distance between your metal panel sheets. Now, what you'll use on that is a flat pin, okay, which slides down the seam. Pins in, you're ready to put the window in. Now, the sheets come in, your R panel, if it's R panel, is going to come right to the edge of this, just like it does on this building. The problem is it's fastened. I suggest it being the low of the panel so that you're flat on top of the flat pin. Now, this is going to be mounted on the exterior side of this. I think the assumption is the framed opening of the window will be pocketed inside, but in that case, you probably use like a storefront window that is not operable. So, to install this, all you do is pick up the window from the outside, you set your window in there, you hold it. Now that's sitting right on the base of your seal. So I give it a 1/4 inch, so what you want to do is pull that window up, screw the header in. Now that the window is kind of semi in there, what we'll do is we'll stitch it down 1.25 pin. Now this is what I was saying. The center line of the pins is 36 inches. Your opening for a 303 window is 2'10" by the height, which is 3 foot. Give it a little 1/4 and you decide the window will give yourself a little flight. Now they can sheet up to it. Like I said, I'd rather have it low so that it's flat here. Okay, so now we put the sheet on. What I was saying is, see, I've got the jam trim on there that snaps on, but this sheet, the high rib line runs right behind the window. We're using the flat pin against the building. So what you have to do behind here is put stitch screws to hold the sheet and then anchor across the top with your screws. The water will be shedding on top of the window. The lid is on the outside. You're going to have to caulk the window completely. Not even seal it good because the water will find a hole to get in. Okay, there's a couple things I want to end on. The windows are made to shed water, but they have a track that will fill up. Now, if that track starts filling too much and overflowing on the inside, there's a weep hole on the corner bottom down here that might be plugged. And or if it's an end wall where water is really shooting down the wall, you might want to put like a door trim up here to shed the water away from the window. One other thing is, anytime there's air coming through a window, there could be water. So if they have a return air duct on the inside of the building, close to the windows, that kicks out and it's full of air, you don't have it sealed good, it will pull water. That is the end of my video.